Hi guys! For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang difference ng boost post sa Facebook ads. Kaya kung nalilito ka kung ano ba talaga ang gagamitin mo pang advertise, boost post ba or Facebook ads ba? Kung gusto mong malaman, watch the full video. Tara, simulan na tayo after this intro. Itong dalawang advertising methods na to are both useful depending on your advertising needs. Kasi ang dalawang ito ay iba-iba yung purpose at ang features nila. So let's start with Facebook Boost Post. Ang purpose ng Boost Post is to increase the reach and engagement of a specific post. So meaning kung ang goal mo for your ads is to have more likes, reactions, shares, comments, kung post engagement yung goal mo, I recommend Facebook Boost Post. Ang Boost Post rin ay simple and user-friendly. So kahit beginner ka, ay makakapag-ads ka na. Ang pag-create din ng ads sa Boost Post ay simple lang. Just a single click to this button ay makakapag-advertise ka na. Sa audience targeting naman ay limited lang yung targeting options niya compared to Facebook ads. Siyempre, you can target by location, interest ng mga target audiences mo, matatarget mo rin yung age and gender nila, kaya lang, the options are less. Sa Boost Post ay limited lang ang objectives. So basic lang talaga siya. So Boost Post is for post engagement, website visits, or page likes. Sa Boost Post ay limited lang yung pag-customize mo sa ads mo. Basic targeting options lang siya. Limited lang din yung creative control mo. So in short, Boost Post is the ideal for those people looking for the quick and easy way to increase reach and engagements of a specific post. Again, kung post engagement yung goal mo para sa advertisement mo, so I recommend Facebook Boost Post. Pero kung ang goal mo for your ads is to have sales or conversions, this is the time you have to use Facebook ads. At yan naman ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Facebook ads is a comprehensive advertising campaigns with specific objectives and advanced targeting. So kung may ipopromote kang business like products or services, so I recommend Facebook ads. Kaya lang Facebook ads is more complex. It really requires familiarity with Facebook Ads Manager. So kailangan mo talagang pag-aralan ito. Kasi dito mo ay i-create yung ads mo sa Facebook Ads Manager. Kung sa Boost Post ay limited lang yung audience targeting, sa Facebook Ads ay mayroong advanced targeting options, including custom audiences, look-alike audiences, detailed demographics, behaviors, and more precise interest. Baka sa iba dyan ay first time pang narinig ang mga words or terms na mga sinasabi ko ngayon, pero maintindihan mo rin ito once may knowledge ka na about Facebook ads. Through Facebook ads ay may full control ka kung saan mo gustong mag-appear yung ads mo. Ito yung tinatawag natin na ad placements. For example, gusto mong mag-appear yung ads mo sa Facebook newsfeed, sa Facebook stories, di kaya sa Facebook Marketplace, sa Messenger, or even sa in-stream ads or ads on Reels, at marami pang iba. Sa Facebook ads ay marami ka ring objective options, including brand awareness, reach, traffic for your website, app installs, video views, lead generation, conversions or sales, and more. So mako-customize mo talaga yung ads mo by using Facebook ads. So in short, Facebook ads is better suited for those who require detailed targeting, a variety of objectives, and advanced control over ad placements and campaign management. So kung ang goal mo for your advertisement is matarget talaga yung right audiences or customers for your product or services like brand awareness, especially to generate more sales and conversions, so I recommend Facebook ads. So in summary, Facebook Boost Post is best if ang goal mo for your ad is only post engagement, such as likes, reactions, shares, and comments. So isang simpleng promotions for your specific post to get more engagements. So yun ang boast post. Ang Facebook ads naman is best if ang goal mo for your ad is makatarget ng wider audiences for your brand or business, especially if ang goal mo rin is to have sales and conversions. So yun ang Facebook ads. So there you have it. So ngayon is may idea ka na kung ano ang difference ng Facebook boost post sa Facebook ads. So if you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. And comment below kung may katanungan ka pa about this topic. And I'll try my best na masagot po yung mga tanong nyo. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless. And always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.